Good morning, children. Now, the next concept, the criteria for local maximum and minimum. If the f of c is equal to 0 and if w of c more than 0, then f has local maximum. This is greater than 0, local maximum. The same thing, less than 0 means local minimum. This is a concept. What is the only rule? F of x given me. First find f of x, which is equal to 0, you will find x value. Now we again differentiate. Second derivative, no? Substitute the x value in the second derivative. If it negative will come in, it has local maximum. Positive will come is local minimum. Substitute the x value in the given function, that is called local maximum value or local minimum value. This is the concept. For first derivative, you will find first derivative, second derivative. First derivative is 0, you will find x value. Substitute the second x value in the second derivative. After finding whether it is local maximum or minimum, again substitute the x value in the given function. Substitute the x value in the second derivative and also f of x. That is the rule. Now this is a question, exam problem. First derivative, differentiate one time. f of x equal to 2 into 3x square plus 3 into 2x. Minus 2 into 4. Now 6x square plus 6x minus 2. Okay. Now again differentiate. Double derivative of x equal to 6 into x plus 6 into 1 minus 0. So 12x plus 6. Now what I got to do? Equality in the first term equal to 0 implies what is the first derivative? 6x square plus 6x minus 2 equal to 0. Now derivative 3x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Am I right? Actually, the question is not 2x and 12x. 12x. Am I right? 12 is coming at 0. Now, the 12 means what is common to both? 6 is common now. Then we will say x square plus x minus 2. Now, factorize product of two numbers is what? Minus 2. Sum of them is 1. What are the number? 2 into minus 1. So, x plus 2. X minus 1 equal to of x equal to minus 2 and 1 plus 1. Okay? This x value. Now what you do? When x is equal to minus 2, attack circle value x equal to minus 2, comma, double s of minus 2 equal to double s what? 12 into minus 2 plus 6 minus 24 plus 6. That is minus 18 is less than 0. That's why it has local maximum. Therefore, the maximum value is equal to f of minus 2. Substitute x equal to minus 2 is a given function. 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square minus 12 into minus 2. Now solve by 2 into minus 8, so 3 into 4, here plus 24, so minus 16 plus 12 plus 24. What is the answer? 20. This is a local maximum. Now what is one more value? When x equal to 1, substitute the second derivative, then given person. But x equal to 1, comma, second derivative of 1 equal to 12 into 1 plus 6. That is what? 30 is more than 0. It has local minimum. Therefore, local minimum value equal to f of 1. The 1, when x equal to 1, substitute second derivative, positive, Substitute x value only in the given function, that is called local minimum value. Substitute here, negative 2 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 12 into 1. So 2 plus 3 minus 12. That is our answer. Minus 7. But therefore, the local maximum 20, local minimum value minus 7. What is asking? Find the extreme values are asking. Therefore, the extreme values are minus 7 and 22 is answer. Extreme means local minimum, local maximum is asking. You must know the working rule. That's very important concept. First derivative, the second derivative. First derivative for 0, you will find x value. Substitute the x value in the second derivative. If it is negative, means local maximum. The same x value substitute the given function, that is called local maximum value. Similarly, substitute second value in the second derivative. If it is positive, it is local minimum. Again, substitute the x value in the given function, that is called local minimum value. That is the answer. Working is very simple. First derivative, second derivative. Now, listen here. Third question. What is given now? X given, average cost is given. But what is asking? The profit is maximum. Maximize means that's the local maximum. The profit is, this is the question clearly. Third question. X given and average cost given, where P is the price per unit output, X is the number of units. The total revenue is what? R equal to P is something, you know the formula. Determine the most profitable output at the maximum profit is asking. The profit is maximum. That's why first to find profit. The profit means what is the formula? P equal to R minus C is the formula. R not given, C also not given. Instead of R, only X is given. From there, you will find the value P. But 2P equal to what? 106 minus X. We got P now. P equal to 106 by 2 minus X by 2. 103 minus X by 2 is a P. Now, revenue what is the formula? R equal to Px is the formula. R equal to 103 minus X by 2 into X. Come on, 103x, X square by 2 is all. From this we will find C. What is the formula of average cost? Average cost C is the average cost. Am I right? We want cost, you know. Therefore, cost is equal to, cost C equal to AC in Am I right? Am I correct? AC is what? 5 plus X by 50 in X. Multiply 5x plus X square by 50. This is C. Therefore, we want profit, no? Profit P equal to R minus C. Anyway, from X, you will find the value P, then multiply by X, that is called revenue. From average cost, we want only cost, multiply X, that is called cost. Now, P equal to R is what? 103x minus X square by 2. C is what? 58x, 5x plus X square by 3. Now, 103 minus X square by 2 minus 5x. 103x, X square by 2 minus 5x minus X square by 3. Out of these two, what is the answer? 98x. 98x. Out of these two terms, LCM is what? 50. That only 2 is there. Minus 20 by x square minus x square. 20 by x square, the put plus here. Out of this two terms, plus minus 20 by x square minus x square. Now 98x minus 26x square by 15. 98x minus 13 by 20 by x square. This is the profit. The profit is maximum. You prove the P is maximum. That means P is maximum. The P differentiates with respect to one time. Tp by dx. then again it will be p square, otherwise simply this can be as p of x, okay, property of x. Differentiate one time, then again differentiate. Am I right? Now the first derivative equal to 0 implies you will find the x value. What is the first derivative? 19 1 minus 30 by 25 into x. Am I right? Again this is 0 multiply minus 26 by 25 into 1. That's all. The first term is what? 19 minus 13 by 25 into x equal to 0 minus 26 x by 25 equal to minus 98. Minus cancel. X equal to 19 into 25 divided by 26. Now how many? 98 by 26. How many points something is coming? Am I right? Yeah? Exactly not used by something. Our nearest answer is 46 actually. Now divide by 2, 30, 49. Am I right? Now multiply. Divide actually, multiply both number, divided by 30, we get the answer. We use the calculator, we get the answer 46.1538. Nearest number approximately is 46. That's all. Am I right? So use the calculator, multiply by 30, we get the answer 46 point something. But the 46 is the approximate nearest value. When x equal to 46 be second derivative of 46 is equal to only minus 26 will be no x value, so less than 0. Therefore, B has local maximum negative development. Therefore, what is asking? The maximum property is asking. That is what? In x1 56, substitute here, that is called maximum property. The negative means maximum is what? The property is maximum. The property is maximum when x equal to 46. Therefore, the maximum property is P of 46. Equal what? 96, 8 into 46 minus 13 by 25 into 46 square. Am I right? Now, once again, we use the calculator, simplify, we get the answer. Part something is coming. Here, what is this two number? 2208. Now, 46 square into 13 divided by 25. We get the answer. What is that? 25 squaring and multiply that. We get the answer 275,508. Now again 2208. So use the calculator. That's not easy for you. Now divide, we get the answer 1100.32. Therefore, the maximum profit amount will be 1107.68. Well, let's see question again. Yeah, this equation given from this to find P, from the P to find capital R, this is revenue. From AC to find C, this is gross or loss. Profit is R minus C. From this one to find the value of profit P of X. Then the profit is maximum, that means from P to differentiate one time, two times. The first derivative equal to 0, you will find the x value. Substitute the x value in the second derivative. With negative will come is maximum. The maximum profit is asking. That's why substitute the x value in the profit function, we get the answer. So use the calculator, we will get the correct answer because the points of this coming. Do the calculation sincerely. This type of question is not 5%. This is called application of maximum minimum. Application of local maximum minimum. Next question, fourth question. Read the question. A tour operator charges rupees 136 per passenger with a discount of 40% for each passenger in excess of 100. Let us see the required number of passengers. Our tour operator charges what? Rupees 136 per passenger with a discount of 40% of excess of 100 passenger. So more than 100 passengers will come in automatically from 136 rupees, and the part of discount will be given. That's what. First 200 rupees two passengers, no discount. Excess of 200 passengers. Suppose 150 passengers will come. Suppose 150 minus 100 is what? 50 passengers into 40% discount will be given. This is the concept. Now 136 minus 40 by 100% means x by 100 cancel. Am I right? 1 0 cancel now. Am I right? Again 136 minus 4x by 10 minus, okay, minus plus now 400 by 10 cancel. Therefore 136 here actually what? Plus 40 now, plus 40, 136, adding together 176 minus, here also divided by 2 now, so 2x by 5, which is tour operator charges. Now amount of money is equal to A is equal to the number of passengers, tour operator charges. Number of passengers already our x into this one. Tour operator charges what? 176 minus 2x by 5. Now multiply 176x 2x squared by 5. This is called A of x. This is the equation. Now as usual, read the question clearly. Determine the number of passengers x is asking will maximize the amount of money the tour operators receivers. That means what? The passenger. A is you want to put maximum. A is you want to put maximum. The maximum name is what? Differentiate one time. A dash of x is equal to 176 into 1 minus 2 is 4 no? 4x plus 5. Again differentiate. Double derivative of x is equal to 176 0 minus 4 by 5 only. Am I right? Only 4 by 5. Now first derivative is equal to 0 implies you will find x value now. First derivative equal to 0 implies first is what? 176 minus 4x by 5 equal to minus 4x by 5 equal to minus 176. 0 is cancelled. Minus cancel. Of x equal to 176 into 5 by 4. How many times? 4 4 is 16. Remember what again? 4. Multiply 220 is x. Now, when x equal to 220, double derivative of 220 is equal to here no x value. Suppose x value involved in substitute x value and simplify, then whether it is negative or positive. But in that case, minus 4 by 5 is less than 0. Less than 0 is what? It is local maximum. That's the only maximum. Local maximum. If it is less than means it is local maximum. Positive means local minimum. When negative is coming, already questions are what? And the amount is maximum. Therefore, the true amount is the maximum. Okay? The amount of money is maximum. The number of passengers is 220. Therefore, amount of money is maximum when the passenger is 220. That is the answer. So maximum, minimum. What is the concept of there? First derivative, second derivative. First derivative 0, you will find the x value. Substitute the x value second derivative. That's important. By chance here second derivative no x value. That's right. When x to 220, no x value, but negative number is there, less than 0, local maximum. The amount of money is maximum when the rest is 220. That is the answer. When you form the equation extra one, the remaining are all same value. But for the question, you will form the equation. Now, fifth question, find the local maximum minimum as cosine. Y is given. Let y equal to f of x equal to 2x2, 3x square, 36x%. Am I right? Now, differentiate one time. f plus of x equal to 2 into 3x square minus 3 into 2x minus 36 into 1 plus 0. 6x square minus 6x minus 36. Now we again differentiate. Double derivative of x equal to 6 into 2x, 6 into 1 minus 0, so 12x minus 6. Now what I do? The first derivative is equal to 0 implies you want to find the x value. Now all that is having 6 is common, divided by 6. What the answer? X square minus 1x minus 6 equal to 0. Product of two numbers minus 6. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Solving this equation by using factorization method. Product of two numbers minus 6. Sum of them is minus 1. What are two numbers? 2 into minus 3. Multiply both minus 6. Or subtracting both minus 1. Of x plus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. Of x equal to minus 2, comma 3. Am I right? Now, substitute when x is equal to minus 2, so the second derivative of minus 2 equal to 12 into minus 2 minus 6. Minus 24 minus 6. That is what? Minus 30 is less than 0. It has local maximum. Therefore, the local maximum value is f of minus 2. Now substitute the x value minus 2 into given function. 2 into minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 whole square minus 36 into minus 2 plus 10 is at the minus 8. Minus 2 whole cube minus 8 into minus 16 minus 2 whole square is 4 minus 3 into 4 minus 12 here plus 72 plus 10 minus 28 here 82. Am I right? 82 minus 28 4 54. Am I right? 54 is the local maximum. Similarly, when substitute when x is what? When x equal to 3, comma, second derivative of 3 is equal to 12 into 3 minus 6. 36 minus 6, that is 30. Is more than 0. It has local minimum. Am I right? Therefore, local minimum value is f of 3. Substitute 2 into 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 36 into 3 plus 1. Now 3 cube is what? 27 into 54. 3 square 9. 9 into 3 27. Here 108 plus 10. Now add equals 64. Add equals minus 130. Subtract 1 7. Therefore, the absolute local maximum is 54 and minimum is minus 71. Now last question. In this exercise, last exercise, last question. The total revenue function of a commodity R is given. Show that at the highest point, average revenue is equal to marginal revenue. Highest point means highest point average revenue. highest point is maximum. Am I right? Average revenue is maximum. You want to put average revenue is maximum at the highest point. Am I right? The substitute the x value with the margin revenue and average revenue will be equal. Two substitutes actually. You will prove average revenue is maximum and also the highest point. No, you will prove average revenue and the margin revenue equal. Now argument. You want to prove average revenue only maximum. That's why first find average revenue. What's the formula? R basic formula. 15x plus x square by 3, 1 by 36 x power 4 divided by x. Am I right? All the terms are divided by x means x is 15. X square by x no, only x by 3. Here 1 by 36 into only x cube. This is average. Now differentiate one time. dAr by dx is equal to this is 0 plus 1 by 3 1 by 36 into 3x square cancel one times 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12 into x square. Now we again differentiate second order derivative dr e square ar by dx square equal to this is 0 minus 1 by 12 into 2x cancel now. So minus x by 6. Now the first derivative is equal to 0 implied you will find the x value. Okay? What is the first derivative? 1 by 3 1 by 12 x square equal to 0 minus 1 by 12 x square equal to minus 1 by 3 minus minus cancel x square equal to cross multiply 12 by 3 is 4 x is what? Plus or minus root of 4. So x is equal to plus 2 and x is equal to minus 2. This is not possible. What is the reason? X is output. Output cannot be negative. When x is equal to in second derivative of AR by dx square equal to minus x by minus x is 2 no minus 1 by 3. This is less than 0. Therefore, average revenue is maximum. That is highest when x is equal to 2. Am I right? Average revenue is maximum, highest is maximum. At the point is what? X. When x is equal to 2 in the average revenue as well as margin revenue, we get the same answer. Now, when x is equal to AR equal to, this is AR no? Substitute 15 plus x is what? 2 by 3 minus 1 by 36 into 2 cube 15 2 by 3 minus 8 by 36 2 times 4 times here the 4 times 2 times 9 now 9 is you know 9 into 15 135 here 3 no 6 here minus 2 what is the answer 143 by 9. This is the average revenue. Now find the margin revenue. The substitute is equal to the same value. We get the same answer. Am I right? Am I right? We get the average revenue is what? 15 plus 2 by 3, 2 cube. What is the answer? Let's simplify. 135, 141. 143 here 4 no 141 139. This is the first answer. Similarly you put the same answer when the margin revenue is what? Margin revenue dr by dx d by dx are is what? So given 15x plus x square by 3 minus 1 by 36 into x power 4. Now simplify 15 into 1 plus 2x by 3 minus 1 by 36 into 4x cube. Okay, cancel. Now when x is equal to 2, comma, mr equal to 15 plus 2 into 2 by 3 plus 2 cube minus 2 cube by 9. Am I right? 15 plus 4 by 3, 8 by 9. Here also minus LCM 135 here 3 days to minus 8. Am I correct? The same answer. Subtract 139 and therefore the average revenue is maximum when the average revenue and the margin revenue will be equal. That is the answer. Am I correct? At the highest point, and x equal to, comma, and the average revenue will be equal to margin revenue. This is the answer. The last question is the application problem. The maximum, minimum. The average revenue is maximum or highest mean, you will find the average revenue. Then the average revenue should be differentiated 1 time, 2 time. 1 time is equal to 0, you will find the x value. Suppose the x value is second derivative. This is going on. Mind it. All the exercise problems are over. Then refer the exam problem yourself.